third and final day of the Times of India Literary Carnival hit an all-time high, with Times Now's editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami in a frank conversation with the Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal.
Arvind, thank you for coming. It's wonderful to meet you again. The subject is greed. So, at the Times Literary Festival, they want us to talk about greed. Arvind, most recently, you have been accused of being greedy by none other than your mentor, Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare said, I thought I will vote, that is vote for the Aam Aadmi Party. But now I find it difficult because it is being seen that it is moving towards the path of money through power and power through money. Arvind, in the context of Anna Hazare's scathing criticism of you very recently, would you agree that power, politics and greed have become totally synonymous in India today, and you too have become a part of that system?
All of you know that this anti-corruption movement has been going on for the last 2 years. It happened under the leadership of Anna Hazare ji. In the last 2 years, what were we asking for? We were asking for just an anti-corruption, a strong anti-corruption law. In this country, if anyone indulges in corruption, there is absolutely no chance, there is no possibility that he would be punished. CBI was set up 50 years ago. CBI was set up to punish those who are very powerful people and who indulge in corruption. But in the last 50 years, CBI has been successfully able to convict only 3 people, 3 politicians, despite the fact there are so many powerful people who have indulged in corruption. Nar Bahadur Singh Bhandari, Sukhram and Bangaru Lakshman. Why is this happening? This is happening because there is something very seriously wrong with our systems, there is something very seriously wrong with our laws. Therefore, this movement took place and we wanted a strong Jan Lokpal bill. Basically, the Jan Lokpal bill said that if anyone indulges in corruption, he should be sent to jail, his property should be confiscated, and he should be thrown out of the job. Is there anything wrong in it? It should happen. In the last 2 years, all the political parties played a game with the people of this country. They played a game with this movement. They cheated the people of this country. We tried everything. We met these political leaders, we met the political parties, we pleaded before them, we wrote to them. 3 times Anna ji sat on Anshan. Once I sat on Anshan. What else we could have done? I don't think there was anything left that we should have done and we did not do. Finally, we started realizing that all these political parties are hand in gloves with each other, they are colluding with each other. They indulge in corruption together, and when anyone is caught, they all try to protect each other. And unless the politics of this country is changed, unless the politics of this country is cleaned up, the country will never get rid of corruption. And that is the reason why we entered into politics. So we were forced to enter into politics. We never wanted to enter into politics. And I remember exactly a year back, Arnab, in a program in Kolkata, had asked the same question, and we said we are not interested in entering into politics. Repeatedly we kept on saying we are not interested in politics. So on one hand we were forced to enter into politics, and on the other hand there was a sense of urgency also. Almost everything in this country is up for grabs. Everything is being looted. Iron ore mines are being looted, coal mines are being looted, thorium is being looted, land is being looted, forests are being looted. In Himachal Pradesh mountains have been sold off, and in Chhattisgarh a river has been sold off. Nothing would be left of India if we don't do something very urgently. And that is the reason we were forced to enter into politics. Till last year, Digvijay Singh and his colleagues kept on saying, चुनाव लड़के दिखाओ, चुनाव लड़के दिखाओ, चुनाव लड़ो और संसद में आ जाओ और अपना कानून खुद ही बना लेना। अब जब हम चुनाव लड़के दिखा रहे हैं, तो कह रहे हैं ये तो सत्ता के भूखे हैं, ये तो सत्ता के लालची हैं, ना ऐसे जीने देंगे हमें, ना वैसे जीने देंगे, ना चुनाव लड़ने देंगे और ना चुनाव नहीं लड़ने देंगे। I was just wondering, at the time of independence, Jawaharlal Nehru also fought elections. Baba Saheb Ambedkar also fought elections. Lal Bahadur Shastri also fought elections. Sardar Patel also fought elections. They were also in politics. At that time, if anyone used to enter politics, people used to say, बड़ा देशभक्त आदमी है, देश की सेवा करने जा रहा है। राजनीति को देश की सेवा से जोड़ा जाता था, राजनीति को देशभक्ति से जोड़ा जाता था। आज ऐसा क्या हो गया कि अगर कोई राजनीति में जाता है तो कहते हैं सत्ता का लालची है, सत्ता का लोभी है। इन लोगों ने राजनीति शब्द को खराब कर दिया है। राजनीति शब्द खराब नहीं है। पॉलिटिक्स इज अ वेरी नोबल एरिया। पॉलिटिक्स इज मेंट टू सर्व द सोसाइटी, पॉलिटिक्स इज मेंट टू सर्व द कंट्री। आज इन लोगों ने राजनीति शब्द इतना खराब कर दिया कि कोई जाता है तो कहते हैं सत्ता का लालची है। इसी को बदलने के लिए हम लोग राजनीति में आए। वी वांट टू चेंज द मीनिंग ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स इन दिस कंट्री कि 2 साल के बाद आज अगर मैं आप सब लोगों से पूछूं कि आप अपने बच्चों को क्या बनाना चाहेंगे तो आप कहेंगे डॉक्टर बनाना चाहूंगा, मैं इंजीनियर बना। कोई यहाँ नहीं कहेगा कि मैं पॉलिटिक्स में अपने बच्चों को लाना चाहूंगा। हम ऐसा भारत चाहते हैं कि 2 साल के बाद आप सब लोग खड़े होकर कहें कि हम अपने बच्चों को पॉलिटिक्स में लाना चाहेंगे क्योंकि हम देश के लिए काम करना चाहते हैं। That is the reason we were forced to enter into politics. Why Anna ji has said this, I am also a little surprised because on Monday last, he had clearly said that I will campaign for only Arvind's party and no one else. But 2 days later he made this statement. So I will talk to Anna ji and I'll try to find out that did we do anything wrong in these 2 days that he was forced to change his stand. If we have done anything wrong, we will change ourselves. We are willing to change ourselves. हम बदलेंगे, हम अपने आप को सुधारेंगे। अगर अन्ना जी के मन में कुछ शंका है, अगर हमारी किसी बात ने उनको ठेस पहुंचाई, हम लोग बदलेंगे। और हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि अन्ना जी जैसे व्यक्ति हैं जो हमारे ऊपर एक मॉरल फोर्स की तरह काम कर रहे हैं। हम कोई गलती करेंगे तो अन्ना जी खड़े होकर हमें डांटेंगे और उनकी 100 डांट हमारे सर आंखों पर